Hi, this is Beth Flanagan from Mind Your Assets Accounts, and in this short video I just want to talk to you if you are a construction business owner. So we get a lot of people in our construction clients a bit confused about this because if you could be running a PAYE, so you've got staff on your books, employed staff, you could be a contractor and you could be a subcontractor as well, and you could have a combination of all these three, or you could be all three together. So let me just talk to you about this. So a tax month with HMRC is the 6th to the 5th of each month. So for example, the 6th of May 2021 to the 5th of June 2021. So that's a tax month. So first of all, let's look at your PAYE. So that's where you as a company, whether you're a limited company or self-employed, you run a payroll for your company. So you've got staff on your books, whether it be construction staff that you're employing or whether you've got admin staff, for example, or whether it's yourself as well, you could be on the books as PAYE. So you run the payroll, or your accountant or your bookkeeper runs the payroll, and every single tax month you've got to send submissions to HMRC by what's called RTI, real-time information. That basically tells HMRC each tax month what you've paid out, your gross salaries, any pensions, your national insurance, tax, PAYE, etc. So that gets to HMRC. So they already know each tax month what tax and national insurance money you owe to them each month. Right. Secondly, let's have a look if you are a contractor. So if you're a contractor and you have subcontractors on your books, more than likely you'll be taking CIS tax from their invoices and you pay them over the net amount. So CIS could be gross status where you don't take tax off. There could be 30% that you take off if they're not verified with HMRC, or if they are verified with HMRC, you'll be taking 20% tax off the labour relevant of their invoices. So then again, end of each tax month, you've got an obligation, a filing obligation to HMRC that you have to tell HMRC how many subbies you've used that tax month, 6th to the 5th, and what CIS, if any, that you've withheld, deducted from their invoices. So far, you've got tax and national insurance from your payroll, and now you've got CIS withheld that you now owe to HMRC, because you're just a collector on behalf of taxes to HMRC, unfortunately. It's just how it works. So then the third one is where you are a subcontractor. So you work for a contractor. Now they may take tax from you, CIS tax from your invoices. So then in this scenario, HMRC will owe you the money. So I know it sounds very confusing, and it is, but you've just got to be methodical. Make sure 100% that your books are constantly up to date, because obviously you've got all these three different elements here and they all run in conjunction with each other from HMRC each and every tax month. So just a brief example then. So if you run all three, you've got payroll, you're a subcontractor and you're a contractor. Each tax month you could owe national insurance and tax from your payroll. You could owe CIS withheld that you've deducted, and then you could have got CIS that you've already had suffered deducted from your payroll. So in conjunction, these three are all running together under the PAYE CIS scheme with HMRC each month. So if your CIS suffered that you've had deducted from your invoices are more than what you owe over to HMRC that month, you don't pay them anything because you owe them more money. If it's the other way around, you have to pay the difference. And at the end of the tax year, if it's the situation where you're still owed money from HMRC because you suffered throughout that year was more than your PAYE and you withheld, then you can offset that against other taxes such as corporation tax, VAT or self-assessment. So I hope this helps you. If it doesn't, please let myself know or any of my team where we can help you further, or even better, let us manage it for you. See you on the next video. Bye.